Hello, Jawar bhai. How is your experience with these young kids?
As you know, I am living with Hispanic degree for last 23 years, and I learned many skills. So it's a payback time to my community, and I took this initiative to start this digital skill training center. So these are my first batch, and you are going to meet next. Rehan Chaudhary.
Well, this is the need of time because communication is the key skill
Yes,
in
it
every
is, you are
profession.
right.
Hello, brother. What's your name?
My name is Umar.
I think I saw you a lot of time on Facebook or on social media.
Yes.
Is it so? Please introduce yourself.
My name is Umar.
You can sit down, please. Have a seat.
My other name is Nihal Sen. I read in class 9 grade in City Education School System. I am from Pakistan. I live in the village Garja Village. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. Then I have breakfast. I go to school at 7 o'clock. My class starts at 9 o'clock. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I sleep at 10 o'clock.
What a brilliant disciplined colleagues. Please keep this routine with you. Oh, what's your aim in life? What you want to become in your life?
I became to policeman, DGP and ASI.
Okay, well, you want to join forces.
Yes.
I think the discipline is the main core of these forces, and as you schedule your timetable, this will help you. Well, good luck. Good luck.